Welcome to Interlaken, the adventure capital of Switzerland. This town is where nature meets the thrill. From paragliding and hiking to boat rides and scenic trains, Interlaken has it all. This morning we woke up to the sky full of paragliders gliding over the mountains, and it was such an amazing sight. It instantly set the tone for the day, filling us with excitement and energy. Today we will be exploring some of the most beautiful spots around Interlaken, starting with the fairy tale valley of Lauterbrunnen and its waterfalls, followed by few scenic gems near the lakes. It's going to be a day of pure Swiss magic. Alright people, we have now reached to a place called Lauterbrunnen, and this place is actually famous for a lot of waterfalls. So right now we have reached here, it's around 7 o'clock, and you can see the views, panoramic views, and behind me there is a waterfalls here, and there is a path to go to the waterfalls, and let's go there and see how it actually looks. Lauterbrunnen is also known as the Valley of 72 Waterfalls. It's a short hike up to the falls, and while the trail is easy, the path does get a little narrow towards the end, but the view of the water plunging straight from the cliff makes it absolutely worth it. So finally we decided. So almost the trek ಒಂದು 15 minutes ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಬಟ್ ನೀರು ಫುಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. But the view from the falls was amazing, but I wish there was a little more water, which would also enhance the experience. But it was overall good. Alashu, how was it?
It was good. I liked it.
The hike?
Just that you shouldn't see down. Just go up, up, up and up.
Yeah, it's like a 15 minutes hike, which is doable.
Yeah.
Prasad?
This is the only thing which is free in Switzerland. So come.
Yeah, definitely do not visit. It is free of cost.
Today there was a peeing place which was free too. Don't forget.
Yeah, what else was free?
Peeing place also which was free.
Yeah.
No, that they charge over.
Now we are heading back to our hotel, and we'll end up our day. So if you guys enjoyed watching our video, do hit the like button and share the video with your family and friends. Bye.
Please like and share.
Well, we are now in a place called Lake Brienz, which is in Interlaken, and there are two famous lakes here, which is called one is called Lake Brienz and another one is called Lake Thun. In Lake Brienz there are a lot of activities like kayaking and jet boating, which you can see here behind me. We are now walking towards Lake Brienz swim area, so let's go there and see if we can swim around and explore this place. But otherwise, you should be, if you're coming in a car, come a little early, as the parking slots will be full and you might have to search for parking spots near the road. So
Hello.
so finally, dive ಮಾಡಿ ಜೈ. ಓ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈ ಕಂಬದ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Right now it's time to swim in Interlaken River. So let's Okay. Swimming here, surrounded by stunning Swiss Alps in the background, was truly surreal. The calm turquoise lake, the fresh mountain air, and that rush of cold water. It's one of those moments that makes you feel alive and connected with nature.
So we are in Lake Brienz today. We did a little bit of swimming. They did a little bit of swimming. I swam because of my little boy here, and it was wonderful. Nice weather out, though it's very sunny. Water is quite cold, but it's fine. The sun will take care of the cold. There are some boat cruises. It's about 60 euros, 1.5 hour boat cruise, and then you have some jet ski boats, kayak boats available. You can purchase, rent it out, and have a good swim. The water is very clear, very fit for swimming, but since it's so cold, we could only be in the water for about 15-20 minutes, not beyond that.
So people, time is almost now 1 o'clock and we have come down to have our lunch at a hotel called Navabharatam Interlaken restaurant. So I have ordered chicken Hyderabadi biryani and Shruti has ordered idalva
Thali.
and two veg thali for Shruti and Prasad
And Majjige.
and our local majjige. Rugen broth.
Interlakens.
This is the local brewed beer which we are going to try.
Rice, pulao, and sambar, potato, salad, Kerala burrata and kesi bath.
Nice, enjoy your meal.
So if you are coming to Interlaken and if you're looking for Indian restaurant, there is a restaurant called Navabharatam Interlaken restaurant which is highly recommended, and all your senses will become proper once you come here, and it's worth it. So we are heading back to Copenhagen now, but we will be heading back via Munich, dropping my brother there. So for Munich it's about 5 hours journey, about 460 kilometers from Interlaken. It was good 2 days we spent here. Of course, if you come for more number of days, there's many more things to do in Interlaken. So heading to Munich, Radisson Hotel, and then from there we will head to my cousin's house in Bayreuth and back to Denmark tomorrow morning.